Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Welcome back to the channel and I hope you are all doing great, right? So market for the last 2 or 3 days, it has been down. In fact, Nifty and Banknifty has been in consolidation mode, right? Now we are seeing little downside trajectory, but I'm going to tell you that the market in next week may go on the higher side, and if it goes on the higher side, that is going to be a perfect trap. Now what these institutions are doing is they will take it on the higher side and they will dump it like what they have done on the last week. We know that for the last 2 or 3 trading session, FIIs have been selling hugely, and even yesterday they have sold for around 4,000 crores, and it was only DII market was holding. If it was not DII's, market will be going on the would have come down even more. Now there are many theories, there are many conspiracies that Geo Financial Service and BlackRock has joined hands and all AMCs are falling. All this they are saying, but we are not investors, we are traders, and no matter what happens, we should be in profit only. When talking about profit, we will release a video tomorrow live, what we made this month for the month of July series, right? So we'll talk about that later. We will talk I'll tell you why I'm saying that if the market goes on the higher side, it is going to be a trap. Now on the long run, or if you see for the August series, market will come down significantly, and I can assure you that this series is going to be a bearish series. Okay, now if you ask me why I am saying these things, or why should I say that this series, which is August series, is going to be bearish, is because there are many reasons. Now you have to see that this trend line has been broken and this is a false trend line. Now there is a divergence here. If you see the price action, prices having lower high and lower low, and at the same time indicator is showing higher low and higher high. So the probability of the market going on the higher side is very high, and probably we will go on the higher side. If you see the US market for the last 2 or 3 trading session, in spite of Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate by 25 basis point, US markets have been rallying, but our markets are continuously for 2 or 3 days is coming down. Let me change this to a daily chart and you will understand what is happening, right? For last 2 or 3 trading session, or let's say 5 or 6 trading session, market has been coming down, but next week market will go on the higher side, is what I want to retaliate, or what I want to say, and I'm sure they will take the market on the higher side and bring it on the downside. Now this trend line has been broken, but it is a fake trend line. But if you see the Banknifty chart, you can clearly see I have drawn the trend line. If you are seeing our video yesterday also, or if you are following us, you can see I have drawn a simple trend line on here, and this trend line was rejected today. You can see this is 1 hour chart, and you can see around 3 o'clock we saw a reversal. Not only a reversal in Nifty and Banknifty, even in mid cap. If you see the mid cap chart, you can see almost 100% reversal. Let me change this to a 5 minutes time frame, and you can see a mid cap select opened somewhere around 18,476. Low was around 18,446 and high was around 18,048. So it was almost same. So it doesn't mean because mid cap is moving on the higher side, Banknifty and Nifty should move. Of course, it's a whole different ball game. But what I'm trying to say here is that Nifty and Banknifty will go higher next week. Looking at the US market and looking at the GIFT Nifty, markets will go on the higher side. That is what I'm firmly believing. Trend line has been respected by Banknifty, and Nifty is a fake trend line breakout, right? If you see the Nifty chart, let me show you the Nifty chart. And if I change this to a hourly time frame, this is a fake. This one is a fake fall, right? It should go on the higher side and it will touch 20,000 levels, or it will revert, at least touch 20,000, which is a very strong support, and which is a lifetime high for Nifty. So we expect, and after that market will come on the downside, and when it touches 20,000 it is going to hit hard. Bears are going to hit it very hard, and they will bring the market below 19,000 or even 19,000 is what I believe for the month of August. So let us see if I am correct or not. And open interest is also showing the same thing. People are writing huge number of calls. In terms of open interest, 19,500 is having the highest open interest and on put side, and 20,000 is having the highest open interest on call side. And in terms of Banknifty, I think there are so much of calls being written from 45,500 all the way till 47,000. So these people, whoever has returned calls, may run for cover is what I believe, and it will trigger the Banknifty on the higher side, right? So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, as I talk to you, US futures are all in the green. US futures, in fact, Dow Jones is up by 0.5%. S&P is almost up by 0.5%. Nasdaq is up by more than 1%. FTSE, German, France, everything is almost 0.5% up. So every market is up, but our market is coming down, and going up means this is because of these people, FIIs. Yesterday they have sold for around 4,000 crores. Today also they have sold for around 1,223 crores. Now continuously they will sell. Now if they sell very less quantity, means market will go on the higher side. Then again they will sell it hard to bring it on the downside. That is why I am saying, if the market rises on the higher side, it is going to be a perfect trap. So trade carefully and trade cautiously is what I would suggest, or what I would say to you all people, right? So let us see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized everything, nothing much to talk. And let me tell you one more thing. We took a very small trade, and this trade which was on mid cap, right? So mid cap is one index which is having good opportunity for trading. You will not find big volatile moves in mid cap, and let me show you the trade. It is in virtual since we are trading in Zebu. We don't use other, we have to use sensible manually, and this is a trade which we have taken, and this trade today morning we have taken, and this trade is in a profit of around 3,000 rupees. Of course, plus minus will be there, and in case if the market opens flat on Monday, we will end up in good profit. This trade was shared in Twitter also. So we'll see how things pan out. I'll update about this trade in our daily video also. This is the trade, sorry. All I did is 8,450 CE and 8,475 PE is what we sold, and 8,275 PE and 8,650 CE is what we have bought as a hedges. Okay, so this is a very small trade, not a big rocket science, but we'll see how things work out, right? I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in at another video. Be cautious. Markets, these guys are going to trap you, and if the market goes on the higher side, it is a time for you to short the market is what I believe, right? I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take